This will be a freeze durability test between the iPhone 15 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now this will be a very simple test. I'm simply gonna put some liquid in these two containers, and the liquid we're gonna use this time around is 7-Up lemon lime flavored soda. That's gonna be our liquid of choice this time around. I'm gonna put some of that in the container, and I'm gonna stick this in the ice box, aka the freezer, for about, I don't know, 10 hours, 12 hours, something like that. And then after that time, we'll take it out and see if the phones will survive. We'll take a quick look at the device real quick. So you can see phone's working perfectly fine. Check out the camera module, etc. Triple camera setup. This is the titanium blue USB Type-C now on these iPhones. Customizable action button right there versus the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. We'll take a look at this phone real fast. As you can see, this is also a very nice device. Also triple camera setup, also has USB Type-C, and of course the S Pen. Let me know if you still missed the note. Very nice. All right, so both phones are IP68 water and dust resistant, so you can stick this in water. What's the limitation? It's like 3 meters or something like that. But I think the iPhone has like a better limitation. Like you could put it in water for a little bit deeper or something like that. Like there's a slight difference between the two, but essentially they're both IP68 water and dust resistant. But now that doesn't really take into account the temperature. We're gonna put these in the freezer. So how will these devices react to such cold temps? We'll go ahead and open up the 7-Up. Carbonation at its finest. Very nice. Time to fill her up. We'll go first with the, I don't know, S23. Look at the phone react. Just a tiny bit more. Okay, I think that looks good. And now we're gonna do the same thing to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Look at that carbonation. Fresh out the bottle. Woo! Love to see it. Let me go down here, make sure the levels are the same. And I think they are. Let me take a look. Oh yeah, I think that's on point. For fairness, so no one's gonna say, oh, you put more liquid in the other one. Or, oh, you put the liquid in the S23 Ultra first. I mean, come on, man. I gotta start with one phone. You're talking about just a few seconds difference. We're gonna go ahead and put the lid on. Put the lid on. If I can put it on. Yeah, that 7-Up smells good. I may have a sip. What the hell? I can't even like put this on. Very nice. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do that. And we're gonna go to the ice box. Okay. Here's the ice box. Got some ice right there. We're gonna go ahead and take the subject, or subjects, I guess. We're gonna just stick it in there. We're gonna close the door. Boom! This is my super old iPhone 11. We're gonna start her up, and we're gonna let this go, I don't know, 10 hours, 12 hours, something like that. I'll see you in a bit. I am back. And as you can see, it's about 13 hours, and we'll round up to 45 minutes later. It's actually like in the middle of the night right now, and I'm still wide awake. I'm a vampire, man. I am a vampire. All right, anyways, put the iPhone to the side and say what's up to my kitty. Her name is Cindy. She's a beast. Anyway, yeah, let's just have a look. Oh boy. Let's see, let's take these out, and we're gonna see what we're dealing with. Close the ice box, and we're gonna head over to The sink here. Whew, that is rock hard. Damn. Looks like this is the iPhone in there. And then this one is the 23, right? Oh boy. Ugh. Damn. Open this one up. What are we dealing with? And we're dealing with that. All right, so let's see if these phones survive. We'll see. Go ahead and run the hot water. Is that hot? Plenty hot. All right, let me see if I can release the phone. Yes, I can. That actually looks pretty cool. The S23 in the ice. And that color kind of goes with the ice. That looks pretty cool, actually. This is the iPhone. All right. Now this is kind of off topic, but check out the water beading here on the phones. Look at how nice and fat and beautiful those water beads are. That actually looks pretty sick. When you ceramic coat a car, try to wash it and you get that water beading, right? Where the coating's rejecting the water. That's what it reminds me of. Anyway, let's keep going. Look at that beautiful beading on the phone. Look at those water beads. How that is beautiful. All right, now will these phones turn on? I don't know. Let's first grab the 23 and I think it's already on. And it is. Wow, look at that. Well, way to kill the suspense. It just turned on right away. And let me see, does it work? Yes, it does. Seems to be working. Let's go to the drop down. And what is this? Oh, we do have a warning here. Let's get in here and what does that say? That says, check charger USB port. Moisture has been detected in your charger USB port. Make sure it's dry before charging your phone. We'll click on details and have a look at that. Pause the video, screenshot that if you want. Okay, so it's detecting liquid, which I'm not surprised. Let's see here. I'm gonna shake the phone. And we're gonna just see if it works. And it looks like it does. All right, I'm gonna launch some apps here. There goes the Amazon Prime, that works. eBay works. Calculator works. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Okay, that works. Sick. Take a look at the camera lens. Let's see. And I'm really not saying, hold on a second. Hey, what do you want? Hey, what do you want? You want to eat already? All right, my bad. Let's get back to the video. Yeah, I'm not seeing any condensation in the lens. We'll test out the camera in a second. All right, here we go. The iPhone 15 Pro Max. We'll take a look at the camera lens. Let's see. I'm not seeing anything. Let me know if you do in the comments. But that looks pretty good to me. All right, we're gonna flip the phone over, and this is the moment of truth. Will this phone turn on? 3, 2, 1, and let's press the power button. Lo and behold, it does turn on, which, truthfully, I am not surprised. This phone and the S23 is IP68 water and dust resistant. This phone is still working. I'm swiping around, calculator, okay, the Amazon, okay, that works. Prime Day deal, right? Or eBay right now. Everything seems to work. However, on the iPhone, I'm not seeing any like warning symbol about like a wet charge port or anything like that. So, but you know, I would use a little bit of common sense. You know, don't charge your phone fresh out of the, you know, out of the pond, out of the pool or something like that, you know? Let it dry for like, you know, a little bit, then charge it, right, with the wire, or you can just wirelessly charge. So let's go ahead and test out the cameras. We'll start out with the S23 first. I'm gonna go video. This thing is in UHD 30, which is what I want. Let's mini drop test, as you saw. Let's see, did I crack the phone? Doesn't look like it. It didn't crack or anything. Let's record right now. All right, so this is a video test of the S23 Ultra. All right, so this is a video test of the S23 Ultra right after the freeze test. So let me know if the audio quality in the video. Here's the 0.6x. Here's the 1. Here's the 3x optical zoom. And here's the 10x right into the Apple logo. Let me know how that looks. It looks pretty good on the phone screen. Peace out. Right after the freeze test, so let me know if the audio quality in the video. Here's the 0.6x. Here's the 1. Here's the 3x optical zoom. And here's the 10x right into the Apple logo. Let me know how that looks. It looks pretty good on the phone screen. Peace out. Okay, there we go. That's the iPhone. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this, or the S23, go ahead and turn that off. I'm gonna go ahead and use the 15 Pro Max. Go to the camera. Let's not drop this one, okay? The video. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that's on 4K 30, and it is. We'll start with a half X, and let's go. All right, so this is a video test from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. All right, so this is the video test from the iPhone 15 Pro Max right after the freeze test. You can see there's the S23 right there on the sync, or in the sync. This is the 0.5x. Let me know how this looks. Let me know how this sounds. This is the 1x. All right. The 2x. See, and this is the 5x. Right into the camera lens. Let me know how this looks, let me know how this sounds. Peace out. Right after the freeze test, so you can see there's the S23 right there on the sync, or in the sync. This is the 0.5x. Let me know how this looks, let me know how this sounds. This is the 1x. All right. This is the 2x, so you can see. And this is the 5x, right into the camera lens if you want to creep. Let me know how this looks, let me know how this sounds. Peace out. I'm gonna give both phones a pass. They seem to be working. Now I say that actually pending watching the video afterwards, but as of right now, they seem to be working. Then you let this dry for a while, let's say a few hours, until it's completely dry, and I anticipate full functionality, etc. of both devices, the way they make these phones nowadays with the IP68 rating. So really, I'm not surprised that both phones survived. It's what I expected. These are amazing devices. Anyway, let me know your thoughts about this quick little freeze durability test in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.